Tyechia.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for? It's Vlogmas, right?
Oh, yes! Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas to you and yours, from my family to yours. I hope your day is filled with excitement, with joy, with happiness, and time with your family. You hear my bells? I think they light up too. Let's see. That's okay. Today is about unboxing. So if you saw my stories on Instagram, you know what I got for Christmas. If you didn't see my stories, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Duh. So you can see my stories and get some behind the scenes from your girl, Tyechia. So today is December the 25th. This is my last day of vlogging daily. Thank you for being on the journey with me. But I'm going to get into it. This is an unboxing video, and I got something that I've been wanting for a while, but the price tag was pretty hefty, and I had just bought a computer, a desktop computer. So I was like, you know, is that something I really need to do? Is that something I use in my counseling, my job? Is this a want or a need? Purely a want. My desktop was a need for my business, but this is purely a want for yours truly. I just wanted it. I like Apple, and I got a lot of stuff Apple, so I was like, yeah, I want that. And all the cool people got it, I want it too. I'll be real with y'all. I'm real. Like, man, that computer is so sleek and stylish. It's just, Apple just screams refinement to me, and I'm a refined person, of course, right? So I got an Apple MacBook Pro, which is more than what I wanted. You know, I've been eyeing the Pro, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to get myself an Air. I'm going to save up for it and then work towards it. But my husband came through like he always does, honey. Always comes through for you, girl, and got me. I don't even know if y'all can see it. Oh, that's the back. My bad. Oh, MacBook Pro. Oh, MacBook Pro. Oh. Hey, around. Oh, MacBook Pro. So I'm going to open this puppy up for y'all. Oh, and my babies, y'all. My babies. They're like the best, and they're so intuitive. They got your girl a Fitbit Versa 2. I had the old Fitbit Charge 2, but I think it was just a charge, and my battery went down. I would get a new battery, and it stopped working for me. And I haven't been as active as I need to be, and I've been talking about, you know, my health and everything, and they listen, and they got this. They got this with their own money. They got this for me. So I'm so appreciative of my family. I really, really am. I'm so grateful for them from the bottom of my heart, and I just thank God for them. I really do. I really do. I thank you, Lord, for my family. They're the reason why I go so hard. Always will. Go for those right there. Because you mess with them people, you're going to see a Tyechia you've never seen before. And that's on God. Y'all, I need something to open this up with. I'm trying to use my nails, but my nails are brittle. Last time I got this dipping powder and stuff messed my nails up. That's why I haven't gotten them redone. It weakened them. Got it open. It weakened my nails, and that wasn't cool. So I don't know. I'm gonna let them get strong before I go and. Y'all ready? Try to let them get strong. Here the box, y'all. I think I got this thing backward for y'all. Ooh, I'm so excited. This baby's so pretty. Ooh, you get no better than Apple, y'all. You can see it, Jesus. Look at God, my Lord. God. sure if y'all can see that. What's in here? Can you see it, people? I hope so. It's just standard Apple stuff. You know, you get this, a cord, and a charger. That's what's in here. But y'all, this video does not express how happy I am and just really how grateful I am, because I know that a lot of people are hurting this year, and I'm just thankful to God that I was able to get some things, some wants. They weren't needs, they were wants. And I'm so grateful, Lord. And I pray that you and your family are able to get some wants this year. And if you're not, that you're able to get it in the future fairly soon. Because everybody deserves to get something that they want at some point in life. And just stay encouraged. Be encouraged. I had a friend of mine. She always tells me, no matter what we're going through, stress-wise, it could be work, it could be this pandemic, it could be whatever, be encouraged. She would always just say that to me and type it to me. Be encouraged, Tyechia. Be encouraged. That's the 2 words she would say to me. And I just want to say it to you. Be encouraged, because a brighter day is coming. A brighter day is coming. I wholeheartedly believe that. So be encouraged. Stay encouraged. Stay motivated, empowered, and keep making steps towards your goals, whatever they may be. This new year is a new year of opportunity, a new year of growth. And make sure that you seize the moment. And if you really want to seize the moment, go ahead and participate in my 5-day challenge that's coming up on this Sunday. The link is in the description, and I'm also putting it down in the comment section. Just take some time to invest in yourself. It's a free challenge. Go out there, make it the best year ever, 2021. Make it the best year ever. You can do that. Whatever challenges 2020 brought about, that's okay. Maybe they identified some weaknesses or some areas of improvement, I like to call it. I don't call it weaknesses. Areas of improvement. We all have areas of improvement. Every living person has areas of improvement. Nobody is perfect. So just remember that and be encouraged. 2021 is coming. A brighter day is coming. Be blessed, and I just pray that you have a safe Christmas and a safe New Year's as well, and ring it in from whatever place you're at. I will be doing it from home because I'm still socially distancing. And this year is different, but I'm so grateful for my family. They are my biggest ride or dies, and they're my biggest motivators. And they're my motivating factor in my life. So thank you, family. I love y'all. I know y'all probably watching. Y'all gonna make me cry. Love you. And I love you all as well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye, y'all.